Hey there, it's Louie, and here are 3 cute and simple mouths that you can add to your amigurumi to give them a kawaii look without requiring too much effort. For these, I suggest using a contrasting color of yarn or thread. I like using black usually, and a needle. A darning needle with a curved end makes it easier to get in and out of hard to reach stitches, but it's not necessary. I like adding all these mouths on before sewing closed. However, you can add them on after stuffing by inserting from an adjacent stitch from where you want to begin the mouth and exiting after completing the mouth from the same stitch. Then double knot, cut close, and hide the ends back into the piece. The only main downside to this is not having as much control of your tension and not being easily able to remove or redo it if you mess up. Alright, please make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get to our first mouth. Here's how to make simple smiles for your amigurumi. Using black thread or yarn, insert the needle from the inside of the body and exit from where you want the smile to begin. Once you have a good spot for the corner of the smile, pull to the opposite corner of where you want the smile to end and insert your needle back into the body. This will create a straight line. Now exit the body where you want the bottom curve of the smile to be, and go around the straight line and insert back into the body through the same stitch that you last exited. Double knot the 2 ends on the inside of the body and cut close. Or if you did this with the piece already sewn closed, exit from where the other tail end is for double knotting. To add a chubby looking face to your amigurumi, using your needle and thread, we'll be making 2 vertical up and down lines separated by some stitches, then connected by a horizontal line to create kind of a long flat H. Start by creating a vertical line by going down a row in your crochet from where you exit with your needle. Try to get a perfectly vertical bar. Sometimes I need to use the center of a stitch to find that perfect spot. This will be one of the cheeks. Now, from where you inserted, work your way a few stitches over to make the other cheek. Now from the inside, exit from the center of the cheek line that you just made, but on the outside, away from where the other cheek line is. Now go across to the opposite cheek and go around the outside into the stitch closest to the center of that second cheek line. Double knot on the inside, carefully not to pull it too tightly. Usually I like to embroider a little tongue or teeth just under the horizontal bar for some added detail. Here's how to make a kawaii kissy mouth for your amigurumi. Exit with black thread from the inside of the body from where you want the top of the mouth to be. Go down to where the center of the mouth would be and insert back into the body to create a vertical line. Exit from where you want the bottom of the mouth to be and insert back into the center. You should now have 2 vertical lines on top of one another. Now exit from where you want the rounded edge for the bottom of the lip to be. This is your chance to choose how big you want the lips. Go around the bottom vertical line that you made and back into the same stitch to pull it into somewhat of an arrow shape. Now do the same for the above vertical line to form the top lip. Exit from where your tail end is or on the inside of the piece for double knotting. Tweak the sharp angles to form more of a rounded mouth. This should be done before you knot it together so that it holds its shape better. Double knot on the inside and tweak the angles again if they get pulled too tightly while knotting. Try using some watered down glue if you feel like it's not holding the shape you want, but I usually find that this stays shockingly well, at least for my smaller figurines. I also usually like to combine this mouth with a winking eye by either adding a sideways V or an upside down smile in place of one of the eyes. And as a bonus, you can add eyelashes to really bring this look together. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found at least one of the techniques in this video useful. And if you did, please like and subscribe, and let me know what other kind of faces you'd like to see in a tutorial in the future. Also, consider becoming a member to untangle a bonus video outlining 2 additional mouth variations, as well as supporting the channel. Oh, and of course, it also gives you access to the over 300 additional patterns and tutorials on my website. Thanks again for watching, pasta la pizza, and happy hooking. Bye!